How to download Roblox Studio in mobile iPhone. So basically, let's go to the App Store first of all and search for the Roblox Studio. Now, simply tap on the search address bar, type down Roblox Studio. So here, as you can see, Roblox Studio is not officially available on mobile phone, iOS or Android. It is a PC Mac only application for building games and experiences on Roblox. But if you just want quick access to Roblox or Roblox Creator Hub on your phone for managing your games, then you can follow this step. Open any web browser, search for the Roblox Creator Hub or Roblox Studio. Then tap on the first option available there. Now all you have to do is tap on the share icon available at the bottom tab in the middle. Once you tap on the share icon, you can see add to home screen option available there. Tap on it. Once you tap on add to home screen, you can name it according to your preferences, but it's better to keep it Roblox Studio or Creator Hub. Then tap add or done option available. Now it is on your home screen like an app. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.